In Christopher Nolan's Interstellar set in 2067, the hero downs an Indian Air Force drone flying above his farm in Colorado and scavenges solar cells from it. An IAF drone soaring over US might have sounded unusual back then. India's indigenous drone program was struggling. Nearly all military drones were of Israeli origin, and DRDO's options were slow starters. India's swarm drone program now have got a boost.
I think 2018 when we announced this Mehar competition.
The IAF spent 16.5 crore rupees and created a drone ecosystem worth thousands of crores. And indigenous drones that can orbit the Earth. Science fiction could now be science fact. Watch IAF Shark Tank, how the Indian Air Force kick-started India's swarm drone economy. This and more streaming now on world's first news OTT, News9 Plus. Download now.